Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 1, we uncovered the history and meaning of Jiaozi. Now let's look at how to make them, from preparing the dough and filling to the different cooking methods that bring out their unique flavors. Folding fun, mastering Jiaozi shapes. Folding Jiaozi is perhaps the most artistic part of the process. While many shapes exist, the main goal is to create a tight seal that keeps the filling inside during cooking. Don't worry if your first attempts are not perfect, practice makes progress. Some popular folding techniques include crescent moon. This is a very common and elegant shape. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of the wrapper. Fold the wrapper in half to form a half moon. Pinch the middle together, then add small pleats along the curved edge until sealed. Pleated folds. These add a decorative touch and help create a good seal. Starters with the crescent moon, folding the wrapper in half. Pinch the top center together. Make small pleats on one side, pressing them firmly against the other side as you go. Repeat on the other side. Simple half moon. The easiest for beginners and often just as effective. Place filling in the center. Fold the wrapper in half and firmly pinch the edges together to seal. For beginners, focus on achieving a good seal first. A little water along the edge of the wrapper can help it stick better. The more you fold, the more natural it will feel, and you will eventually develop your own unique style. Remember, a perfectly sealed dumpling ensures all those delicious flavors stay exactly where they belong. Cooking methods and serving traditions. Once your jiaozi are expertly wrapped, it is time to bring them to life through cooking. The method you choose dramatically changes the dumpling's texture and taste. Whether you prefer them tender and comforting, delightfully crispy, or light and airy, there is a cooking style for every preference. Popular cooking styles: boiled, pan-fried, and steamed. Each cooking method offers a unique experience, transforming the same jiaozi filling into something distinctly different. Understanding the characteristics of each will help you choose the best way to enjoy your homemade dumplings. Boiled jiaozi, shujiao. This is arguably the most traditional way to prepare jiaozi, often associated with home cooking and family meals. Process. You simply drop the dumplings into a pot of boiling water. They are cooked until they float to the surface and become plump. Sometimes, a splash of cold water is added to the pot a few times during boiling to ensure even cooking and a tender skin. Characteristics. Boiled jiaozi have a soft, slightly chewy wrapper and a juicy, tender filling. They are comforting and perfect for soaking up dipping sauces. This method is common for large batches made during gatherings, offering a taste of authentic Chinese home cooking. Pan-fried jiaozi, guoti or pot stickers. Guoti, meaning pot stickers, are famous for their irresistible crispy bottom and tender top. Process. First, you fry the jiaozi in a hot pan with a little oil until the bottoms are golden brown and crispy. Then, water or a cornstarch slurry is added to the pan, and a lid is placed over it. The jiaozi then steam until cooked through and the liquid has evaporated, leaving a delicious crispy crust. Characteristics. These dumplings offer a delightful contrast in texture, with a crunchy bottom and a soft, steamed top and filling. They are a favorite for those who enjoy a bit of textural excitement with their meal. Steamed jiaozi, xinjiao. Steaming offers a lighter, more delicate way to cook jiaozi, emphasizing the wrapper's natural texture. Process. The jiaozi are arranged in a steamer basket, often lined with parchment paper or cabbage leaves to prevent sticking. They are then steamed over boiling water until the wrappers become translucent and the filling is cooked. Characteristics. Steamed jiaozi have a very tender, slightly springy wrapper and maintain the distinct flavors of their filling. This method is lighter on oil and often preferred for a healthier take on dumplings. The perfect dip, essential sauces and accompaniments. While jiaozi are delicious on their own, the right dipping sauce can elevate their flavor, adding layers of saltiness, tang, and spice. Think of the sauce as a customizable embrace for your dumpling. Common ingredients for dipping sauces include soy sauce, the savory base for most dipping sauces. Black vinegar adds a distinct tanginess and complexity. Xinjiang vinegar is a popular choice for its mild sweetness. Sesame oil provides a nutty aroma and a smooth finish. Chili oil, for those who enjoy a bit of heat, adding a fiery kick. Minced garlic and ginger. These fresh aromatics are traditional additions that brighten the sauce and complement the dumpling's flavors. You can mix and match these ingredients to create your ideal sauce. For example, a classic combination might be soy sauce, black vinegar, a dash of sesame oil, and a tiny bit of minced garlic. Some people prefer a simpler approach, using just soy sauce and vinegar. Experiment to find what you like best. The interaction of the savory filling with a bright, tangy or spicy sauce is part of the joy of eating jiaozi. Cultural significance and eating etiquette. Jiaozi are more than just food, they carry significant cultural weight in China, embodying celebration and the warmth of family. They often appear during major festivals and family reunions, reinforcing bonds and expressing good wishes. When you enjoy jiaozi, especially in a traditional setting, it is often a communal experience. Families will gather around a shared plate of freshly cooked dumplings. While specific rules are few, the general idea is to enjoy the meal together. There is no need for strict formality, the emphasis is on sharing good food and good company. The process of making them together, from kneading dough to folding, is a cherished tradition. It is a time for conversation and laughter, building anticipation for the delicious meal that follows. This shared effort and enjoyment truly highlight the communal spirit jiaozi represents. Jiaozi are much more than simple dumplings, they represent a rich tapestry of history, tradition and culinary art. From their beginnings as a medicinal remedy to their revered status as a symbol of prosperity and family unity, these delicious parcels embody the heart of Chinese culture. Each wrapper, every filling, and all the cooking methods tell a story of innovation and shared joy. We hope this exploration inspires you to try your hand at making jiaozi at home or to seek out authentic versions to savor. Discover the lasting appeal and cultural depth that Chinese jiaozi bring to any table. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.